In any season, proper care is needed to keep skin healthy. Different skin problems are also different, the method of care is also different. Those who have oily skin suffer a little more. Today we will show you how to get rid of oily skin problems at home. First, take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder in a bowl. Regular use of the antibacterial sandalwood powder helps in fighting acne-causing bacteria, exfoliates the skin, soothes sunburn, removes suntan, and also reduces signs of aging such as dry skin and wrinkles. The smell of sandalwood also immediately leads to your mood becoming all the more pleasant. Add 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti also aids in improving skin tone. It has mild bleaching effect which helps in reducing blemishes and dark spots. Add half TBSP turmeric powder. Turmeric has skin lightening properties which help you get rid of dark spots effectively without causing any side effects. Using turmeric along with other moisturizing ingredients such as milk or honey will help improve your skin complexion. Add 3 tablespoons rose water. Rose water can be used to lighten the skin pigmentation too. If you have slightly uneven skin, this will work great on you. Rose water restores the pH balance of your skin. Rose water removes oil and dirt from your skin by unclogging your pores. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. First, take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon wheat flour. Much like besan, gram flour, you can use atta as a face pack to fight oily skin, cleanse out toxins, reduce tan and dark spots, and improve skin elasticity and brightness. Besides, you will be using a completely natural ingredient to give your skin a dose of goodness. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. Add 1 tablespoon raw milk. The vitamins present in raw milk makes this a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent that tones the skin thoroughly, leaving no room for impurities. Rich in vitamin A, raw milk is known for clearing pigmentation, scars caused due to acne and dark spots when used judiciously as it is or in the form of a face mask. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. First, take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt is rich in zinc and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains probiotics that will help restore your skin's natural barrier. Yogurt has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help prevent breakout of acne and ensure a glowing and healthy skin. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. You can use lemon juice to lighten your skin. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. This means a humble lemon can be used to treat acne damage, dark spots, freckles and other forms of hyperpigmentation. The vitamin C in lemon juice lightens skin by reducing melanin. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Fast, take 2 tablespoons potato juice in a bowl. Potatoes do an excellent job of lightening dark spots. They're full of natural bleaching agents that work effectively on hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Add 2 tablespoons tomato juice. Due to their astringent properties, tomatoes help reduce excess sebum on the skin's surface, preventing oil buildup, which further reduces the chances of blackheads and whiteheads. Since they have pore shrinking properties and help tighten the skin, chances of acne and pimples are also greatly reduced. Add 2 tablespoons rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Add half TBSP lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. First, take 2 tablespoons lemon juice in bowl. Add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour. Gram flour works as a great ingredient to remove excess sebum from the skin along with unclogging pores. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results.